Morning guys, Brian Pekaric again from down here in Australia, here with the team from 1tRIPr. We just got done assembling the 12-row XD narrow transport. This will be equipped with a 1,000-gallon liquid system to be put on potentially Monday or Tuesday of next week. But running through the principles of what our precision tillage and strip till unit does is what we want to do is we want to create an ideal seedbed, proper placement of fertilizer, and then as well as create the optimal root zone conditioning. So running through this row unit real fast. So we've got the depth band coulter right here that's going to come in and cut this strip that the wavy coulters will then come out and essentially reduce some of the residue that is in the system. Next we have the precision tillage shank that's going to place fertilizer at depths that you prefer. This system's set up with a 2-band system, so we can place liquid at different depths throughout the soils. We can also do dry. We can also do a gas fertilizer if that's the preference for your system. Next, what we're going to do is we've got the coulters back here. That's going to compact or seal in the fertilizer that you just placed so that you don't have any leakage up and or down. Then you've got the rolling basket. We've got 3 different versions of baskets that you've got, and what that's going to do is that's going to create a nice seed bed for your planter to run through as you go through the field. But again, for more information, please contact 1tRIPr Ag down here in Australia, or please contact Orthman.com.